Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back. I am finally home. And check out what I got. A bunch of boxes for the 240. But I'm not gonna open them yet because I'm not gonna install most of this stuff. But this box right here, I'm gonna open this up and then install it on the car right now. It definitely feels pretty good to be back home. I enjoyed my trip in Mexico, but time to get back on the grind. Chase base.
Oh, what's up? How short of clutch?
That's the slip for the clutch, yeah.
That's it, that's all it's in.
That's it?
Yeah, that's all it's in here.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. I thought from them I had bought the lines for the brakes, but no. I did buy them, but I thought I bought them from Chase Base, but I think I got them from GK Tech. Sopa News. That's a big ass Sopa News that way.
If you haven't watched it, watch it.
Previous video, bro. Crazy.
Big facts, dude.
Big facts, huh? So we're gonna install the slave for the clutch. So this car was original automatic. Christian's already doing the hose, and then we're gonna mock it up. That thing barely fits.
Barely fucking fits, dude.
But it fits.
But it does fit, yeah.
Oh, you're gonna have to relocate.
I'm just kidding.
I mean, if I ever want to take off the
cap?
yeah, the cap, then I would have to take off one of these lines.
Oh, right. That's just a catch can though, so it's fine.
Yeah. ¿Cómo la ves?
Chingón, güey.
Bien chingón.
It's just a catch can. ¿De esos? Two screws that go long. No, they're long. Because, okay, so what this bracket
All the
does,
smoke, fool, look.
So what this bracket does, way, is instead of having it like that on its side, this bracket makes it so this is straight. So you see all the holes right now, están de lado, right? So this corrects it to where this is fucking straight. So this, we need bolts that go from here into the cab. No, it's from.
Es la escupida, güey.
So we need to find two screws that go from here inside, and they're gonna be like this.
Like long? So like 12s, huh? Like
Yeah, they're 12s, yeah. Alright.
Hey, so you said a year from now, no way? Your car? Well, what's today's date? For December. What's today's date? For December 8th?
No way, but I haven't said when we're gonna start with.
I wanted to get your start, fool. You can finish it, fool.
Yeah,
You're good with all those tools. Everything's for sale, fool, like Philly says. Oh, fool.
Get scared out of that.
So I told this fool to drive my car because I've never heard my car drive from like outside view. So he's driving it, so I'm able to hear it and see it from a distance. What's coming back? Yeah, he likes it, fool. He likes it, fool. That shit ain't for sale, fool. But like Philly said, everything at a price, bro. Huh, Philly? Everything got a price?
Huh?
Everything got a price.
Everything's for sale.
Hey, I recorded how much I got my car for, fool. Don't scratch that out, though, fool.
No?
¿Te gustó, güey?
Feels good.
Yeah, huh?
Feels really good.
They told me that shit is loud when the clutch is in because it's like a dual clutch, so they think they're louder, fool.
Yeah, they are.
But it's smooth though, huh? Like it's quiet, fool, but it opens up when you step on it. It's like the perfect daily, dog.
What are you boosting at right now?
It's stock, fool, 11 pounds, fool, and it's getting 350. But it's because of my ECU.
Yeah.
Homeboy said he wasn't able to, like, he didn't have that many readable things, so he couldn't read the knock sensor, so he didn't want to push it. My injectors are at 50%, fool.
This thing feels good, bro.
Look at the fan, fool, it's hydraulic, way.
Oh, I've seen that.
I was reading up on these fans, fool.
I've seen that before on these cars.
Because they look at me when they tell me, nah, don't change it, fool.
Yeah.
They
Nah, leave it alone.
People want these. Oh shit, I didn't even know that shit.
Leave it alone. If you have a problem with it, then I'd mess with it, but not right now. I've driven right-hand drive before, but every time I get in one, since I don't drive it all the time, it's like, ooh, cool. Alright. Yeah, once you drive it every day, it's kind of like a normal thing, you know?
Le iba a poner window tint and make the exhaust louder, pero pa' qué, güey.
It's fine the way it is.
Así los casi me pelan, güey.
It's fine the way it is.
What happened?
It's still too short one. Yeah? Yeah, the other one is like barely gonna do it.
Like if he moves too fast, it's a little choppy.
Yeah, but once you put it on the film, it's not gonna look like that.
Oh no? A ver. Did you see my new Z, güey, okay?
Which one?
The new Z.
Oh, the one right here?
Yeah. I need a new tool sponsor. Because pinche Christian, güey, me perdió todas las pinches dogs. I mean, they're there, but they're not in here.
¿Este Cristian?
Ese Cayo, güey. Cayo es un pinche vato verga. Pero se lo
I
digo.
want to scratch the paint on it, güey.
Okay.
Dice que lo pinta de vuelta, güey.
Pintado otra vez.
A sacarlo otra vez. Fuck that.
So the SR is never coming back out.
Yeah, güey. That's why we're doing it like this. With the bolt-on.
Yeah, but before you drive it.
Oh, nah, yeah, I don't think so.
Oh, but if you have to, you only cool.
If I have to, it'll come out fucking quick, güey.
No, these are just the bolts that go inside.
El otro sí puedes jugar poquito.
They didn't even check their tire pressure,
Yeah,
bro.
nobody checks their tire pressures. They don't know none of the like basic stuff that you can do to your car to make it better, to improve, to make changes, you know.
Even the guys with the white fab?
Even the guys with the white fab, they don't know, like they think everybody out there, they think you need power, you need this
Yeah.
good brands, you know, good parts on your car to win, you know. So
They forget about tire pressure.
yeah.
Do you know what they're running at or not?
No, pues I don't know. There was no
50 psi and
yeah,
shit.
I don't know, maybe a lot. But what I did notice, I walked around the pits. I was checking out their cars. All the guys with the big power cars, well, almost everybody had a swap. Everybody had a swap except me and then two other Z's that were stock, so same setups. But I noticed everybody with the swap, they had regular tires with a lot of pressure, you know, small tires, you know, running 17s. Wait, I have a stock Z over here and I'm running 18s on really low PSI.
17's on a V8?
17s on the V8, so you can imagine, wait, like you have no traction, wait. That's why they're slow, you know, they're slow. That's why, like, somebody that knows, like, a little bit of knowledge on tire pressures, way, like, I made my car a little faster, and
Yeah, I've seen that.
and that's why, like, I was able to keep up to big power cars. So, and then Francisco noticed that, I mean, the judges are there for a reason to basically, I mean, ask them for advice, ask them, like, how am I looking, what can I do to improve, what are you guys looking for?
They're kind of like arrogant, like,
yeah,
they're like cocky
very
and shit.
arrogant, yeah. So,
I mean, we would imagine like you guys coming from over here, over there, it's like you're on their turf, and they're like, who the fuck are these fools?
yeah, basically, they look at you as a threat, but to me, I just want to go, because honestly, wait, if I want to win, I take my fucking car and I go and I'll beat them, you know, but that's not the point, wait.
One day though, huh?
Yeah, one day. That's why I like to use stock cars. That way they can see that you don't need, like,
Yeah,
a lot of
power.
power, way, you know, to be able to drive, you know.
You-
So
You don't need a JZX, fool.
you don't need a boat, a yacht. But yeah, way, you know. And then, okay, look at my car, way. Before I used to have an RB. I
And
went
a
back to
2J?
an SR. Yeah, I went back to an SR. So, like, it's all skill and then a little bit of knowledge, you know, tire pressures, suspension. Suspension is very important, and a lot of people don't. Some people didn't have coilovers with the sick ass swap, you know.
You're gonna be like the Mexican Nakamura, fool.
See, you think so?
Probably, fool.
Nah, I suck, way.
Hey, but for them to understand what went down, I think Sis was gonna have to like translate that, bro. Cause in Spanish, like we understand it,
Yeah, we understood.
but like
understood
people
it,
who
but-
don't understand Spanish are not gonna really understand like what the hell's going on in Mexico.
Okay,
You
so
know
the
what I mean?
people that didn't understand that speech, since it was in Spanish, and my bad because I didn't translate it or add subtitles. I didn't have subtitles. So basically, what Cisco said is, like, told them straight out, you guys fucking suck. You know, I was expecting, you know, everybody to be united as a because we're all Mexicans, you know, we're all family, we're all, that's what,
La raza.
La Raza, you know, that's what we are. And honestly, like, I don't even want to say this on camera, but Cisco, when we took off on Saturday, that fool cried, like, dijo, wey, la neta, wey, like, I'm disappointed, wey, like, I was expecting more
Of a friendly environment, because it was like that here like 5 years ago. It was like everyone was kind of shady against everyone, and now it's different.
Now everybody's together, way. Like anything happens, hey, way, I'll help you out. You know, like, oh, you need a tool, you need an axle, way. Like you guys have seen it, way.
I've seen that shit.
Diff, like I've had people giving me axles, tie rods, even tires, way. You know, somebody breaks down, they know they're not gonna fix their car. El Noah, way, what happened to my power steering? He fucking gave me the parts I needed, basically.
No,
Nelson.
Oh, no, Nelson.
No, Nelson is the Fair Lady Z Society.
Do it like how Zach does it. No,
Yeah.
Nelson.
Yeah. So yeah, and then over their way, they, you know, shit happens, and then they don't want to help you with, like.
So from day one when you got there, you had already felt that vibe.
Yeah, I knew that already. I wasn't recording that. I was on the side because it was gonna feel like, oh, maybe fucking Philly had something to do with it, which I did. But I mean, they needed somebody like with big ass pinche, with a big ass mouth, way, to basically let them know it. I mean, it was hard.
He served it. He served it good.
It was hard, way. It was like hard, way. Even like I felt it, way, because I was there, way. Like hasta yo, way. Even like when I went back and saw the video, I was like, oh shit, he's telling me, way. Like he got to the point, way, like fucking really happy, way, that he did it. Because the next day, way, everybody fucking stepped up their game, way, like machine, like night and day, way, difference, yeah, way.
I think so. The next time you guys go, you guys will be more welcome then.
Yeah.
That's probably what it was, huh?
And then that too, way, yeah.
Like estos culeros, ¿quién son?
Yeah, they didn't know who Cisco was. They didn't know who Ruben was. Well, some of them, and the other judge. So it was also like part culpa de ellos, you know, because they didn't announce, oh, this fool that knows how to drive can give you guys that advice. Like they didn't announce it, so I mean, it was just it happened too fast, you know.
Yeah.
But
that makes sense.
Yeah. So Cisco came back pretty happy, way, after all that, because he knows that their mentality changed. And then I remember the last time I went, because they put us all on a group chat on WhatsApp, and then basically they give you guys like instructions and everything. And then after the last event happened, like after it was over, everybody was talking shit. The event sucked. The last event, yeah. This time when I came back, everybody's like, fuck yeah, I can't wait to fucking drive with you guys. I want to tandem now. Let me know if you need help. Come to my shop. Like totally fucking different, way. Like,
so imagine next time.
Yeah, way. So next time it's gonna be good.
Para la otra, la mejor yo voy a ir, güey. Si me invitas, güey, pinchale.
I told Christian to go.
¿Vamos, Christian, o qué? ¿Para la otra?
I couldn't go this time, dude. Work was.
I got laid off, fool.
I'm still back up.
I got laid off, so you fools hiring, hit me up.
Yeah, but yeah, that's basically what went down. I have fun, you know. Like I tell everybody over there, like I don't like competing, but I'm willing to help. You know, whatever I know, the little bit I know, help them out. You know, because I do know a little bit more. You know, but I also don't want to like shit on them on
their fucking.
Yeah, you know. So I want to help them out. If I don't win, I really don't care. But
you got their place, fool.
I got their place, you know.
Shit.
And then we didn't record this, but basically when we podium, when I got the third place, I told everybody, like, we were parked. You know how Formula D at the end, you know, they announced the first, second, and third winner. When I gave my speech, I was like, just to let everybody know, you don't need like a strong ass car, you know, to compete. Anybody can do it in any car, you know. Just fucking full send, tú nomás pinche dale, way, and then that's it, you know. Have fun, practice, seat time, bro, you know. And everybody after that, way, asking me for autographs. There were a lot of kids were saying, bro, I want to get a Z now, I want to start sliding, I just want to leave it stock and fucking just practice and then grow from there. I'm like, fucking Cisco.
Hey, how much do these go out there for?
They're expensive, way.
Are they?
They're really expensive.
Like more than 5,000 American dollars?
They're like over 6 for like a shitty ass Z, way. But I mean, they have money, way, out there, where there's a lot of money, way. But yeah, way. I mean, I had a fun, way. It's all good. It was shit. It was cool. But yeah, I have a Z now in Mexico, so I'm gonna try to get some sponsors. I don't really want to overbuild it. I just want to get a clutch, good coils, a bucket seat because I was sliding all over, güey. I estaba así, güey. A seat harness. I fucked up my neck. Pinche seatbelt, güey, se me atoró right here, but
¿Te rozó?
yeah.
Your girl's like, who left your fucking hickey,
my
fool?
girl's like, who left you a hickey? Yeah, now, güey, but yeah, güey, like, yeah.
The
it's
movement, fool.
It's,
The movement, bro. Fucking progress.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
It's gonna be sick next time, güey. Hopefully you guys come out, güey. But I do have my crew over there, so
Yeah.
no los extrañé, culeros.
But I can drop a sick ass video. Alex, ya sabes, güey.
All the sopa, güey.
Telling you,
Later, when we
fool.
go home, I gotta go to sleep.
Yeah.
See you later, güey. I'm taking the rest of it.
Ya me están sudando las manos, güey. So what happened, bro?
So since this one's aftermarket, way, it's a little bigger, so it's hitting the box. So now we're gonna have to shorten the box a little bit. That way we can put the cap on. Okay, let's
Sorry,
look for the
güey.
lines, way.
Ahí están, güey. Búscalas, güey.
Huh?
Dice, ahí están, güey.
I didn't buy it, güey, so I can't open them.
So this is Christmas right now. Hey, güey, ¿tienes agüita, güey? ¿Agüita?
¿De tomar?
Sí, güey. Ahorita when you finish.
A ver qué pedo. I don't think it's in the big box, way, because
Y pinche turbo, se ve como mi carro, güey.
Like that.
Te paniqueas, güey. Se paniqueó, ¿verdad, güey?
aquí está, güey. Found it.
Hey, what's up, man?
Found it.
First box,
First
right
box,
on top,
güey.
huh?
I don't want to show you guys yet.
What's that in there?
Huh?
¿Qué hay adentro?
No, te pedido.
Damn, homie, that's what's up, fool.
Gotta go eat. Oh,
You hiring, fool?
can't right now. That shit is right now. It's slow and it's about to get slower.
It is, huh?
Yeah, dude.
Coronavirus, nigga.
That's why you guys gotta keep watching the videos, way, because I ain't gonna have work, way. So, but I'll have content, way. That way.
Everyone got tow trucks, fool. ¿Y la tuya, where's your tow truck, fool? Ya te falta a ti una.
It's right there, way. I just gotta put the airbags in it.
GK Tech, fool.
GK Tech.
They actually use stainless.
Hey,
Cool.
GK Tech is affordable, way, and pretty good, way, quality. Like that angle kit that I installed. Oh, people wanted
yeah?
feedback, way. GK Tech for I think it was like 2 something, way, under $300, way. That shit felt exactly like my PVM shit that I paid like $1,200 for. Yeah, of course, way, you didn't get the camber adjustment, but angle, fucking, it was like a good 55-60. Alright, so what we're gonna do next, remove these 3 lines, get rid of the hard lines, and then go with GK Tech steel braided. Alright, broskies, we're done installing the lines. Looks pretty cool. This thing fits now. And yep, looks pretty nice. Chingon. And then I guess we'll continue with the rest of the parts on the next video.